Digitalization of business means larger dependence on external know-how, data, and technology, and business opportunities are increasingly built jointly in digital ecosystems. In every transaction or partnership, intellectual property has an important role to play.
The automotive industry serves as a good example. For decades, OEMs had IP organizations for primarily defensive purposes. Now, with electrification, sharing, connectivity, autonomy, the OEMs have become more dependent on external technology while facing new competition. Tesla is by far the world's highest valued automotive player. Alphabet's Waymo and Amazon are top names in autonomous driving. Foxconn Technology Group has launched an EV open platform together with more than 500 partners. And in just the last few years, Avanci has forced OEMs to enter licensing contracts for connectivity. Broadcom sued the Volkswagen Group for €1 billion under the threat of injunction, and Sharp sued Daimler for infringement of its connectivity patents, to just name a few.
To make the leap to a true partner to the digital business, IP must be embedded as a natural part of the business team and partake continuously in a strategic learning process. It must be full stacked and cover a critical mass of competences to handle the broader mix of IP assets and the full range of relevant business strategic IP issues. It needs to be elastic to permanently partake in the strategic dialogue and learning process and have the ability to swiftly adapt the types and number of resources dedicated to a certain activity. For industrial companies with a large remaining core business but a small and quickly evolving digital business, there will be two different needs to serve, which means that a makeover of the whole IP organization may be unproductive. In our experience, the best solution is to let a fast-paced, digital embedded IP team develop alongside but largely independent of the current core business-facing IP organization. The advantages are many. First, it shortens the runway and can bring a team operational within weeks or a few months rather than years. Second, it allows the company to put a much clearer business accountability and associated business anchored metrics on the new team in its embedded role. Third, it is an elastic and more easily scalable model, which makes right sizing and cost efficiency easier and allows it to adapt gradually in line with the needs of the business. And finally, it provides an efficient vehicle for attracting and nurturing the new types of talent and skills needed in the digital business context, while continuously providing insights and learnings that will be easily transferable to the entire IP organization.